like that.
Another small propeller. The big one's going to come.
It's the Princess Link.
Yeah, it's coming. Is it coming down? You see it moving behind.
You see the Princess Link?
Yeah, bro, that's so small.
Only six of them are operated. Only 6 of them. Taxi.
George, I can see the IKEA.
Yeah. But I'm gonna put this in YouTube. But I'm gonna be careful. I'm gonna like put the sound a little down. Yeah.
Cause it's loud.
No, cause you're talking. I don't want you in the. Or else you want your big voice in it.
I don't know.
Okay, then now.
Oh, Jester! Yeah!
You hear it in the gas. Is it coming in or going out?
Going out!
Go in.
It's a big one. You sure?
It's the A380. From South Africa. This plane just landed from South Africa, bro. That's Cathay Pacific. It's a 777, Dad. It's a 7777. It's a 7777, Dad.